Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Agrawal and my roll number is 21CS30045. I am the group leader and I also did the presentations and contributed to the coding part.
Hello everyone, my name is Chanchali Kumari. My roll number is 21CY10005 and my contribution to this project is hardware assembly.
Hello everyone, myself Shruti Patel. My roll number is 21CH10064. My contribution in this project is to write Arduino code for the hand gesture brightness controller.
Hello everyone, my name is Arghagamal Samanto. My roll number is 21EC30012. My contribution in this project is the implementation of hand gesture recognition module in the Python 3.
Why gesture brightness controller? Gesture control is the ability to recognize and interpret movements of the human body in order to interact with and control a computer system without direct physical contact. We aim to use this technology so as to replace the old button system with wireless communication. A simple hand gesture is safer, quicker, and more convenient means to accomplish. In this project, we use this technology to change the brightness of an LED bulb using hand gestures. For this, we will require some software and hardware components. Here, we are using C++ and Python languages because Arduino code is written in C++ and the sending code which communicates with Arduino is written in Python. We have used OpenCV and MediaPipe to understand hand gestures and accordingly set the LED bulb's brightness from 0 to 100%.
Now, I am going to explain the Arduino code. This is the Arduino code for which is receiving the data from laptop to serial communication. So now, let's understand how the code is working. Here I have initialized a constant integer variables red pin equals to 3. Means red LED will be connected to the pin number of 3 of Arduino board. Then this is the void setup where pin mode of the red LED is set as an output device. Now let's come to the void loop in which there is a while loop which is responsible for receiving the data serially which is sent through Python code. If the character received is \n, then it is stored in a variable red with the range of 0 to 255 as an Arduino is a 8-bit microcontroller. Here variable red is connecting values from PC and setting the value is sent to the serial communication.
This is the Python code for the recognition of hand gesture. Okay, so first of all we are importing all the important modules. Here you can see, then we are activating the serial monitor. Now once the serial monitor is activated, we are capturing the video through the camera attached to this PC. Okay, so now in the while loop we are reading each frame. Okay, then we are finding hand in each frame. Okay, so let me show you the official documentation. So this is the official documentation of MediaPipe created by Google. Here you can see we can detect various things just like face, iris, hand, pose and many things. We are only interested in hand. Yeah, so here you can see that every movable joint in our hand is assigned a number, but we are only interested in 2 points, that is the tip of the thumb and the tip of the index finger. So they are assigned with the number 4 and 8. Here you can also see 4 is for thumb tip and 8 is for index finger tip. Okay, so now going back to the code. So if the hand is not empty, so first we are storing all the location of other landmarks in the LM list, but we are only interested in 2 points. So we are storing the values of those tips in the variables x1y1 and x2y2. Then we are creating circles around those tips to highlight them, and then we are joining those two tips with a straight line. Now we are calculating the distance between those two tips and storing the value of the distance in the variable d. Now we know that the value of voltage is stored as an 8-bit integer in Arduino, so we have to calculate the equivalent 8-bit integer of the distance d. So that is what we are doing here in the line 41. Okay, so now if the value of d is in between 0 and 255, first of all we are showing the percentage of brightness in the video itself. Then we are writing the value of d in the serial monitor, and we are also adding a new line character for the next iteration, and finally we are showing each frame, and we are also making sure that each frame would be displayed only for 1 millisecond, and therefore our output video will be of 1000 frames per second. And then we are terminating the program with destroying all windows. Now let me show you the demo of the program.
So now I'm going to explain the hardware part. First of all, the components used here are a breadboard, an Arduino Nano board as a microcontroller, some jumper wires for the connection, 4 5mm LED bulbs, 220 ohm resistor, and a USB cable for transferring the code from laptop to Arduino board. So now I'll assemble the hardware parts to make the circuit. compile the code from here. First I will save it and then it's getting compiled. So it is now compiled and then I will upload the code to the Arduino board from here. It is uploaded and then I will run the Python code to show the working of our model, how the LEDs are going to controlled by our hand gestures. Let me run the code from here. This is the gesture of my hand, which is sensed by the webcam of my laptop. So, as you can see, as I decrease the distance between the index fingertip and the thumb of my hand, the brightness decreases, and as I increase the distance, the brightness also increases. As you can see how the gestures are controlling the brightness of the LEDs. So this was the full demonstration of our project.